Hi there.
Hi, I'm Dave.
Hey, Dave. Tell me about what's going on here. What is this place?
I'm teaching people how to start their compost, DIY compost bin, in-ground compost bin. You can see it here, which I'm going to do because I'm a newbie to this, and it's only going to cost me $20 or less. It's just a square milk crate that you can get practically free, probably at any grocery store. Some brown cardboard, shredded up cardboard, or any type of cardboard material. Hopefully nothing with ink or dyes in it. And any vegetative matter that you throw out of your kitchen sink. Banana peels, apple cores, peels from your zucchini can go straight into this. And you also start off by getting some worms. Oh, they're quick. Yeah, brown regular worms right here. You throw that into your DIY compost bin, and they'll know what to do from that point. Have you ever held a worm before?
Mm-hmm.